So, good afternoon to everybody. Now we can start the same chapter, that is turbine engine fundamentals, which we have continuing from yesterday. So, here now come to the types and construction of engines. What are the types and construction? First of all, we need to know, like a reciprocating engine, the function of air intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust all take place in the same combustion chamber. Each must have exclusive occupancy of chamber during its respective parts of the combustion cycle. But in gas turbine engine, it doesn't happen like this. In gas turbine engine, separate sections are devoted to each function, and all and all function are performed simultaneously without interruption. A gas turbine engine is consist of क्या क्या होता है उसमें, what are the parts of gas turbine engine? First of all, an air intake, second, compressor section, third, combustion section, fourth, turbine section, fifth, exhaust section, sixth, accessory section, seventh, systems necessary for starting, lubricating, fuel supply, auxiliary purpose such as anti-icing, cooling, and pressurization. So these are the typical gas turbine engine modules, you can say. So now we can study another common nomenclature describe the various section of gas turbine engine known as cold section as well as hot section. See, cold section and hot section, this turbine engine is divided in these two sections. Cold section refers to at the parts of the engine from the inlets up to through the compressor and diffuser. Hot,
सर गौरव और मैं लोग ऐड कर ले
okay. So hot section refers to the areas past the compressors from the combustion chambers through the exhaust. So major components of gas turbine engine are basically the same. Okay. However, the nomenclature of component parts various engine currently in various use slightly due to difference in each manufacturer's technology. These differences are reflected in the applicable maintenance manual. Means the manufacturer who are the manufacturing the engine, a turbine engine, or you can say aero engines, they have the separate manufacturer manual for separate engine so that they can define the things properly. So turbine engine types. How many types of turbine engine? There are 4 types of turbine engine. They are turbofan, turboprop, turbosoft, and turbojet. Turbojet was used to describe any gas turbine engine used in the aircraft. As gas turbine technology is evolved, these engines types were developed to take place of pure turbojet engine. This turbojet engine has problem of noise and fuel consumption. So they modified this engine so that this engine can be given less noise and less fuel consumption. Nowadays in aviation technology, turbofan engine is basically used because they are high fuel efficient and produce less noise. Turbofan engines were developed to turn a large fan or set of fans at the front of the engine and produces about 80% of thrust from the engine. This engine is quieter and has better fuel consumption in high Mach speed range. Turbofan engines have more than one shaft in the engine. Many are two shaft engine. This means there are compressors and turbines that drive it. Those two shaft engines use two spool. Then first of all you supposed to know what is a spool. A spool is a compressor and shaft and turbine shaft that driven that compression. In two spool engine there is a high pressure spool and low pressure spool. Low pressure spool generally contains the fans and turbine stages it takes to drive them. High pressure spool is high pressure compressor shaft and turbine. This spool makes up core of the engine and this is where the combustion section is located. So this high pressure spool is also referred to as the gas generator because it contains the combustion chamber. So why it is called as a gas generator? Because from high pressure compressor this air is being delivered to the combustion chamber. So that's why it is called as a gas generator. So next topic, that is bypass ratio. First of all, you are supposed to know what is the definition of bypass ratio. That means you know what is bypass ratio. The definition is the amount of airflow from the fan bypass compared to the amount of air that flows through the core of the engine is the bypass ratio. This air flows pound per second or kg per second depend upon the manufacturer which unit he uses. So bypass ratio, suppose 200 pounds per second flows, fan is flowing air, this much air, and 40 pounds per second flows to the core. So bypass ratio will be 200 upon 40. So ratio will be 5:1. This is bypass ratio. This is very important to know in a turbofan engine. These turbofan engines are generally categorized as the high bypass or low bypass in accordance with their bypass ratios. Transpose category aircraft uses high bypass engines. Some low bypass turbofan engines are used in speed range more than 0.1 Mach. Or you can say it goes above 0.8 Mach, like a military aircraft. Military aircraft means like a supersonic aircraft, it goes around 1 Mach to 5 Mach. So these engines